Now, China is growing, and the Americans are seeing it as a challenger, almost as a threat. I think if you see China as a threat, that's going to be a very big problem.
So I believe under the Biden administration, there will be a much more thoughtful approach with regard to China. I think President Biden should look at the entire array of issues where we can get along with China.
And it's a challenge for both sides to find the right way forward. My observation is that the current new U.S. administration needs time to estimate what are the areas it has to cooperate with China, and what are the areas it needs to manage with China, avoiding conflicts.